What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of this affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, guys. 80% recurring, paid every month. Alright, 80% of the sales that you get. So you should just promote this product regardless. Alright, that's a fantastic deal. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure here. Okay, it does look like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. Totally fine, not a big deal. All right, so the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to get your link. You want your link, all right? For this, the first thing you want is your link. All right, so this is where you get your link at right here, guys. All right, that's the link. That's the link that I personally use. Now you can use any link that you want, but that's the one I like using. It seems to work the best for me. Well, it also promotes 3 products. That's why I like using it. All right, so once you get your link, let me show you get your link. First, you got to go to incomespeech.com. All right, and that's going to be a link in the description. And yeah, it's going to take you to this page here. Now, this page right here is the sales letter for the $25 business. Now what the $25 business essentially is, it's a funnel builder. Now if you built funnels before, it's a funnel builder for $25 per month. Now if you built funnels before, you know exactly how useful that is and how good of a deal that is, especially if you use ClickFunnels, the most popular funnel builder out there. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you probably already know all of this. All right, so we're just gonna move on from there. You get 80%. You can get $120 monthly commission, guy, from each customer. Each customer can give you $120. All right, so they also give to charity if you're interested in that. It's a ton of information up here if you're interested in reading it over, trying to decide if you want to try it out or not. It's a ton of information to get your stuff together, figure out what everything is, blah blah blah. Let's decide you want to try this out. All right, so you click on one of these buttons. It's gonna take you to this page here where you can put in all your information and blah blah. You know, buy the product, $25. You get somebody in there, you get 20 of their dollars. All right, so it's a fantastic affiliate program, right? Now, one more thing I want to mention, because you use my link, get a link to this right here. This right here is HBA Premium. If you use my link, you get this for 14 days for free. But this is training on traffic. I say how to set up Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, how to set up ads, solo ads, podcasts, blogs, whatever it may be, right? It's all kinds of information on how to set that information up. All right, and we use that. Try that out. They also have an AI content creation machine. All of this is constantly updated because rules change on certain sites and you have to change the way you promote, or something, they find something that works a little better, so they'll change what they're saying or stuff like that. So it's constantly updated. And yeah, you get that right there for 14 days free. Now the best part about this, the 14-day free, is that if you get a sale with this 14-day free trial, you make a ton of money, guys. You get that $100. You get that $100 if you get that sale, that one sale on this product. But if you get multiple sales, you keep all of that money. Even though you don't technically got the program yet. So that's a fantastic deal. So I just want to make sure I clarify that. Now you can click complete order, do all the stuff to log in, make your account, blah blah blah. There's videos explaining all of this, right? But once you do all of that, guys, all you really need is a way to promote it. Now, I found the easiest way to promote this product. Not the best, but the easiest way. It's gonna take you seconds to do. All right. If you're so stuck on how to promote this product, this is the way that works for me. All right. So let's go to my lead gen. You click on my second link, it'll take you to my lead gen secrets, which is this page here, guys. Now, what my lead gen secrets is that TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day. You can email once per day. They all interested in making money online. However, they are very cold leads, and you kind of got to warm them up first. So we got to this page here. Now we can go to mailing system. We're gonna click on mailing system here, and we're gonna click on select all my leads here. Don't worry about this number here. This number don't matter because there are other. I have multiple accounts. I'm using my worst account. I have 10 accounts on this. They all promote different stuff, but this one right here I use for this page here. This YouTube page in particular. So, and this is my worst account in general. So the reason I'm using my worst account to show this, guys, is because you guys, I can kind of more confirm that you guys can make money with this product. If I'm making money with my worst account, you guys can make a lot of money as well. You know what I mean? That's how I see it. So we're just gonna go to down here. We're gonna pick one next email that we have in our list that ChatGPT wrote for us. I don't know which one that is. Right here. Okay, we got 2 more emails that ChatGPT wrote for us. All right, so we're gonna stick to that, and we're gonna use that email there. You can pause and copy the email if you want to. But yeah, that's the email. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. You know what, guys? We're gonna use one of my emails, I think. Let's go down here. Let's look over here. We're gonna see if we can find us a solid email. It might work out really. I just want to look through here. Let's try this. I don't like that. I thought it would be better than that. Yeah, we'll just use the ChatGPT. We'll just use it. I'm sorry for a second there. I was just thinking, trying something else. But we're gonna use the ChatGPT email here. Looks a little cleaner. Looks like a lot nicer in general. It's very short. I also use short emails, guys. If you want to write these emails yourself, that's perfectly fine. Make sure you hit perfect timing. It's gonna send an email around the time people check emails. Make sure you hit preview and make sure your link works. Mine does. Yep, it works. So we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. Now, really, all you really need to do is once you got enough emails, just come here and send an email. Done. That's it. That's all you really need to do. Make money, guys. You make money. All right. You make a lot of money real quick, and yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.